Thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood today. Today I'm going to be taking you inside of an individual rally to show you our payments feature on your navigation bar. I'm currently logged into our demo user account, and I'm going to click into one of our rallies on our dashboard. Here you will see your navigation bar. Please locate payments. The payments feature is a great way to collect money for things like monthly dues, spiritware, and product fundraising for your organization. To create a new payment, click the New button on the top left corner. Then you can add your title. Let's do Fall Product Fundraising. Then add a detailed description. We have an array of font and format customization options like bold, italicize, underline. You can change your text color, you can change the background color, add an emoji, and many, many more options to fit your needs. I'm going to add a description. Please join us for our annual Fall Product Fundraiser. Next, you can click on New Photo. This is where you can upload a photo banner that represents what your payment event is going to be. This main image will appear above your title once completed. For your reference, the main photo banner image dimensions are 720 by 240 pixels or 10 by 3.3 inches. Next, if you wanted to click on Attachment, you have the option to attach things like fundraising lists or products here, other forms or images that may be helpful. Scrolling down, you'll have the option to add your organizer's first and last name, their email address, and their phone number. Now you can start to add your items by clicking Add Item. We can do cookie tin, 50 available, $20 a piece. Something to note is that if you have multiple items, you will need to add them each individually. That could be done by clicking on Add Item. And if you would like to cancel out an item, you just click on Cancel. Something to note is the fee options. So you're going to have two options. Option 1 is Add at Checkout. This option includes the payment processing fees in the ticket price that the ticket purchaser or buyer would pay. You will see a breakdown of the buyer total cost that includes all payment processing fees. Option number 2 is to have it included in the price. This option adds the payment processing fees for the organizer or seller to pay. The total payment processing fees are 5.8% plus 30 cents per transaction. So for example, if you have a $10 item that you're selling, the total payment processing fee would be 88 cents for this item. When compared to the other platforms like CheddarUp and Eventbrite, we are much lower in terms of our payment processing fees. Another thing to note is that there's already a $ given for you, so you only have to add the numbers. No $ is necessary. Click Save. Now you can add your refund policy. Just enter the information into the field. This is completely up to you what your policy is going to be. Scrolling down, you have your registration form where you can customize instructions for your purchasers. Anything you type here will be read only for purchasers. You can add details here for the location where the buyers can pick up their orders, or when the buyers can expect delivery of their purchase. You have these fields for first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. You also have the option to add additional fields. And if you would like to get rid of these fields, you can click on the trash can. Next, you have the option to add sales tax. And last, you have your Stripe account set up. If you already have a Stripe account set up, you're just going to click the drop down, select your account, and publish. Make sure to click publish if you would like to make it active for others to view. Or you can click save as draft to continue to work on it later. Once you've made your final edits in your saved draft, click publish to make it active. We're going to publish. And here you can see that our fundraiser has been created. Clicking on the pay button, customers can come and choose their quantity, go to checkout, and it will take them to their payment. Navigating back to our Rallyhood dashboard is really simple. Click on the Rallyhood logo in the corner, and voila, you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.